Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're not, welcome back. Today I just wanted to kind of talk about how you can look put together without having so much makeup on. Like if you want to feel comfortable in your own skin, how it looks, and how you look without makeup on, this is for you. So for me personally, I have pretty clear skin majority of the time, so I don't mind walking around with a bare face. And I feel like a lot of the times people just are so used to seeing these filtered people online that they think something is wrong with their natural skin. And honestly, I really wish I could see more people that just rock their natural skin online and in photos. If you find yourself like putting makeup on as a chore or putting so much makeup on that you feel like it takes forever to take it off and it's a waste, you're not going to be wearing it anywhere. I don't wear makeup every day. I typically only wear it occasionally, and it's when I'm filming videos most of the time. So right now I do not have any makeup on, and my tips to look put together without makeup, truthfully, are just a couple of skincare products and just like little things here and there. So I'm just gonna jump right into it and let you know all the products that I use on a daily basis to look put together without actually putting on any makeup. So the first thing I want to talk about is skincare. Having a good skincare routine is a major part of loving your skin, and I feel like for me, having a really good skincare routine helps my skin stay, looking clear and bright and glowy and all of those things. So my first tip is basically just your skincare. You want to make sure that you are on your skincare game. Wash your face in the morning, especially if you are planning on going out without makeup on. Fresh, clean skin is really the best way to start your day. So everybody has different skincare products that work for them. I will say the products that I use for my skin are going to differ from products that you would use for your skin. So this isn't really about like the skincare aspect. It's just kind of one of those things where you want to make sure you're doing your morning skincare routine. And then after you do your skincare routine, this is where all the products that I use come into play. So after you do your morning skincare routine and you put on I use a serum. I use the Snail Mucin serum that is on Amazon. I will link it. I did not grab it to show you, but I do use that in the morning before I put anything else on my skin. So then after I put that on, I use this product right here, which is by L'Oreal Paris. It's the True Match Lumi Glotion. It is basically just a bronzing, like glowy enhancer. So you see all these influencers using these bronzer drops. There's like some that are like super expensive, but you don't need to pay that much for this. This came from Amazon, and I think it was maybe around 12 bucks, if that. It really is not that expensive. So this is just gonna make your skin look so nice and glowy, and I'll just show you. Like, it really looks so good on, like, you see the shine? And if you don't want that much shine on your face, obviously, like you don't have to use this product. You could use something else. But for me, I typically have dry skin anyway, so I feel like it kind of gives my skin a nice healthy glow. And then the next thing that I would typically put on after that is just a brightening serum under my eyes. So I've been using this one forever. It is probably honestly expired, but there are tons of brightening serums that you can get for underneath your eyes. So many good ones, honestly, but you could find a cheap one and use it. This does not have to be like an expensive thing. This doesn't have to be something that you spend a ton of money on. This is just something that you are gonna be using mostly every day to make yourself look put together when you don't have makeup on. So I use this Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream by Ren Clean Skincare. I think I actually got this off of Amazon, but it was so long ago that I probably can't link this. So I will link something from Amazon that you could get that's cheap and that would help you get the same effect. But this goes right under my eyes. I feel like it gives a nice concealer effect without being concealer, and it's also good for your skin, helping your skin. So I put this on after I do that glotion And then after that, I go in with this clear mascara by Physicians Formula. It's Diamond Mascara Mineral Wear is what it says, but it's basically not a real mascara. It's kind of like a conditioning thing or like a gel, but I just put this in my eyelashes, which typically I try to keep my eyelashes lifted. I have a lift kit that I do at home. You know, it's super cheap to do it yourself. So I just use a lash lift kit that I bought online, and I feel like it works wonders. Honestly, I need to do my lashes again. It's been a little while, so they're not as up there as I would like them. But if you don't want to do like a lash lift, you can honestly just take a lash curler and curl your lashes. I recommend doing that, especially on the days that you don't wear makeup. It's gonna make your eyes look more awake, more alive. And then I go in with this. This can go in your eyebrows and it can go in your eyelashes. So I typically put this in my brows to brush them out and make them look better, because you know, if you just wake up and go to sleep and then they kind of look roughed up. So just brushing your eyebrows out, brushing your eyelashes out, and then going in with this clear mascara honestly makes such a huge difference in the way that your face looks, and it makes you look more put together and just better off, like ready for the day. And then I also go in with this spray that I just recently got from Amazon. You can use any type of spray, just any type of like hydrating spray for your face. Basically, a lot of people use like rose water. That works just as good, honestly. This is by the brand D'Alba Piedmont. It's called First Serum Spray. To me, it smells like ginseng. It's for hydrated and radiant skin. It's double layer serum enriched with white truffle from Italy. This is a Korean skincare product that I did get off of Amazon. They do have another one that is like a rose one, which I would totally love to try that one next, but I have been obsessed with this since I got it. It gives your skin such a hydrated and glowy look, and it is a staple in my routine. I use this when I do my makeup. I use it before I do my makeup and after I do my makeup. I use it without any makeup. Like right now, it literally looks so good on the skin. It's so hydrating, and when it dries, it gives your skin this nice glowy look. It's like my favorite spray I think that I've ever used on my face, truthfully. But I literally bought this from Amazon, and I feel like it just gives you this insane radiant look for your skin. And the main thing that you want to do when you're trying to look put together without any makeup on is just make sure that you look like kempt. Basically, you want to make sure that you're clean looking. So the whole clean girl aesthetic thing that went around, I feel as if it really kind of came from someone that didn't wear any makeup, in my opinion, because a lot of people that don't wear makeup and they just have their skin looks nice, their hair looks nice, it looks kept up, they look clean. In my opinion, that is the real clean girl aesthetic, not just minimal makeup, you know what I mean? It's to each their own. It's either way, you know what I mean? So that is one of the main things that I use, is that spray. After I do that spray, I go in with the Laneige lip mask and or lip oil. I feel like the lip mask lasts longer for me than a lip oil. Like I had lip oil on before I filmed this video and it's already worn off. I can tell like I need more moisture. It's winter. You need to make sure that you are moisturizing your skin, obviously, and your lips. Don't let your lips get left behind. So this is a winter skincare thing. It's a staple for me. It doesn't get typically too cold where I live, but I always try to make sure that I am on top of my lip care in the winter because nobody wants crusty lips. So that is something I go in with. It's just a lip sleeping mask, but obviously I put it on during the day, especially if I'm gonna go out and like go to the store or something like that and I wanna look put together, then I'm just gonna wear a lip mask to get me through the day and also give my lips some hydration, because chapstick sometimes does not do as much for me as one of these lip masks. The next thing that I do is more as not just like looking put together, but feeling put together. For me, it's more than just looking put together, it's feeling put together. And to feel more put together, I need a fragrance to kind of tie my outfit together, truthfully. So I go in with these Being Frenchy oils. So these are just roll-on body oils. I have been obsessed with these from Target ever since I found the first one. This one is in a lavender scent and it smells so incredible. And I have every single scent that they make of this because I am just so obsessed. These are so easy to travel with too, so that is another reason why I've gotten so many of these. But as soon as I finish doing all my skincare, I just go in and roll this on my neck, roll it on my arms, roll it on the back of my neck, and I smell so good and so put together, so clean in my opinion, clean, fresh smelling. So the last thing that I want to talk about is just hair care, because I feel as if a lot of the times the reasons why you wouldn't want to put makeup on is because your hair is not done. And I get that, I truly do. But now that whole look where people wear completely slicked back buns is kind of like a protective hairstyle for your hair. I guess it still kind of takes some effort for people, and it's more effort than they want to put in. For me, if I say like I wore makeup yesterday and I fixed my hair and it looked really, really good, it was diffused because I have wavy curly hair, and today I don't want to refix it. So I just put my hair up in a high ponytail and went through with one of those bristle brushes and tried to brush in my flyaways and then kind of pull the top layers out a little bit. It has fallen a little bit. My hair is super long, so it's just really, really heavy. So a lot of the times, even if I do have a good pony, it's gonna fall down. But either way, I do feel like being able to just go in and kind of like tame your flyaways, but don't be afraid of frizz either. Frizz is normal. A lot of people have frizz. It's like I have frizz right now, even after doing the flyaways, just from like going throughout the day and being out and about. I'm gonna get frizz. It's not a big deal. So typically whenever I know my hair is gonna be frizzy, I will just take a spray bottle like this one, basically, and I'll add some gel and some water mixed together. Basically kind of create a hairspray. If you don't already have a hairspray, you could probably just use hairspray. But I think gel kind of works better because for wavy curly hair, because you can just go back and activate it, like reactivate it the next day. Because I had gel in my hair yesterday, and then today, obviously, all I had to do was wet my hair to reactivate the gel. So I just put it up in a pony and then did that, and then had my little, little earpieces that I have normally down. And that way my hair looks kept, like it looks clean, it still looks good. I did take most of the flyaways and brush them down with edge control gel just to kind of flatten the top of where I had like the little bitty like hairs that were just kind of out of the way and look kind of crazy. So as long as you can do that, I feel like that also helps you look very put together. So that's what I do, and then I just add in some earrings, and I feel like that also makes me feel super put together as long as I have a cute outfit on, because you can wear cute outfits and not have your makeup like all done up, you know what I mean? I'm wearing a vest and a long sleeve bodysuit and some yoga pants right now. This is like my uniform most of the time. So I think this goes very well with like the way that I did my hair, outfit, and everything looks good. It's not a big part of it, it's just kind of feeling put together. So as long as you feel put together, you feel like you look put together and glowy, and that you don't just look super tired and exhausted and like ugly or something like that, then I think you have done it. You're basically on track. Another thing that I like to do to look put together without having a ton of makeup on is just like keeping my nails done. I don't mean going out and getting your nails done. I do my nails myself. I just do gel press-ons myself. And then if you don't want to do all that, just paint your nails. That's all you have to do. Just keep your nails painted. If they are chipped, repaint them. Just to have your nails done, it's going to make you feel more put together, feel more pretty. You'll be like, oh wow, my hands look so nice because my nails are done. You know what I mean? And you're less likely to bite your nails if you paint them. So that is always something that I recommend doing. If you like to use your hands a ton, don't do press-ons, just paint your nails, and then you'll feel pretty, you'll look pretty, and everything will be good. I just wanted to touch on that. That's just a couple of things that I do to look put together without wearing tons of makeup. I feel like nowadays there are so many people they do these how to look put together without any makeup, and yet the products that they show are makeup products, and they're basically just wearing, like I've seen so many no makeup routines that include so many products, and I'm just like, why did you not just do, like, if you're gonna use this many products, why don't you just use a full face? If I want to do a super minimal makeup look, I just go in with concealer and mascara and bronzer, and that's it. That is my minimal makeup look. And I feel like if you're gonna look up a no makeup tutorial, it should be like that, not 20 different products for the same results, honestly. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. video. If you did, if you like this video and you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. But yeah, I would love to have you guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so please help me by hitting that subscribe button and sharing my video with someone that you think might enjoy it as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.